let's discuss some special cases for the calculation of median. First special case is the inclusive series. Inclusive series is the series when the upper limit of the first class and lower limit of the next class interval is not same, as we have seen in case of mean. But the difference from mean and median is that in case of calculation of median, if the series have been given to you which is inclusive in nature, it is compulsory to change the series into exclusive series. It is necessary to change the series into exclusive series. So by this changing, so you after the changing of the series, only then you can calculate the median. Let us see one example. Now if this is the practical problem that has been given to you, now you can see the upper limit of the first class interval and lower limit of the corresponding next class interval. This is not same. So this series is the inclusive series. For the calculation of median, we will have to convert the series into exclusive series. So we will change our class intervals. How we change it? We take the difference of these two classes, 70 minus 69, and this difference is divided by 2. So it is 1 divided by 2. So 1 divided by 2 is 0.5. It will be deducted from the lower limit and added in the upper limit. So 50 minus 0.5, it will be 49.5. And here we will add, so it will be 69.5. Now the second class interval, again minus 0.5, it will be 69.5, and here it will be 89.5. Third is 89.5 and 109.5, 109.5 and 129.5, 129.5 and 159.5. So like this, our series have been converted from inclusive to exclusive. Now we can go ahead with the normal question. There will be no change in the class interval. Class interval is going to be same, frequency is going to be same. Now we will convert this f into CF, and when we will convert this f into CF, so 18 plus 75 is 93, plus 21 is 114, plus 10 is 124, and finally 165. So now after this calculating the CF, our next step is the calculation of through the formula. As we have seen, the formula of median is size of n by 2th item. So n here is 165. So 165 divided by 2 comes out to be 82.5. Now let us locate it here. It will be under this class interval. So now when we will be putting the next formula, median's formula, the lower limit will be this 69.5 plus n by 2 is 82.5 minus CF of the above class 18 divided by f of the corresponding class 75, and the difference will be taken of these class interval I, not this. So here difference is 10. So when we will solve it, our median will be 86.7. So it is compulsory to change the inclusive series into exclusive series. Now second special case is the open-end class intervals. Now in case of open-end class intervals, it will be same as we have seen in case of mean. Open-end class intervals are that interval if the some classes are open, like for the first class it has been given below 10, for the next class 10 to 20, 20 to 30, and it has been written 30 and above. So in case of this, we have to convert the series into a normal class interval. So it will depend upon the next corresponding class interval. The difference is 10. So it is implied that for the first also difference will be 10, because for every interval the difference is 10. So in the last we can also say it will be 30 to 40 depending upon the previous class intervals. So in case of calculation of median, we have to convert the open-end intervals into closed-end intervals, because if we say that median lies in this class interval and we always require lower limit here. Here also we may require the lower limit if median lies here. So we require at least lower limit is required for all the class intervals. So it is very much easier to convert the open-ended class interval into normal class intervals. Now the third special case can be when the class intervals are unequal. Now in any question, it is quite possible that the difference of class interval is not same. So in calculation of median of unequal class interval, there is no need to make any adjustment. It means how the class intervals have been given, you go ahead with that. You need not make any changes. Just the selected class intervals difference will be considered. Let's see one example. Suppose this is the question has been given to you. Now here in the first class interval, difference is of 3, again 3, then 4, then 2, then 3. So this is the case of unequal class interval. So in this question we need not make any adjustment. Directly we will be calculating CF. I'll just show you how to solve it. If I take the CF, it will be like this. And in the last also one more frequency is given. So I can say it is 72. So when we will apply the formula of median n by 2, so 72 divided by 2. So that will be 36. So if we have to locate it, 36 will be in this class interval. So I will see where this value is lying. So it is lying in this class interval, 36. So when I will be applying the next formula for the calculation of median, we will consider this class interval. We will lie that median, we will just write down that median lies in 10 to 12 class interval. Now this is n by 2, this will be our CF, this will be our F, and for I will be 2, because we have to see the difference of the selected class interval only. We need not bother about the differences of other class interval. So you just keep the question as it is, and the selected class intervals difference will be considered to be as I. Now the fourth type of special case can be when you have been given cumulative frequency. That is, sometimes you have been given less than or more than questions. So two types of cumulative frequencies we have already seen in case of mean. So less than and more than series have been given. So in case of calculation of median, it is necessary to convert it into simple f, because for the calculation of median we require cumulative frequency also, and we require simple frequency also. As in the formula of median, we have seen the formula of median is this: n by 2 minus CF divided by F into I. So frequency is very much necessary. So when less than and more than questions have been given, there is a requirement, there is a necessity that the question should be converted into a simple question first, make the CF as F first, then proceed with the question as a simple question, as we have seen in case of all other examples. And the fifth case is in some questions when mid values have been given. In some questions you will be given the mid values and the frequency has been given. For example, in a question you have been given that mid values are 5, 15, 25, 35 and frequency is 2, 3, 9, 10 like that. So in these cases, first you have to convert these mid values into class intervals. How we convert that? We can all see that 5 is the mid value for 0 to 10, 15 is the mid value for 10 to 20, 25 will be the mid value for 20 to 30. For the purpose of calculation, you can say that we take the difference of two classes, that is 15 minus 5 is 10, divided by 2, it comes out to be 5. So you have to deduct once and add once. When we deduct 5 from it, it will be 0. When we add 5 into it, it will become 10. So like this class intervals will be made. The question will be converted into a simple question and then it will be solved.